Hello, good morning, one and everyone. Standard 12 Commerce, subject Statistics Part 2, in which we take chapter number 2, Random Variable and the Discrete Probability Distribution, means Binomial Probability Distribution. Practical example of the main exercise, section E, exercise number 2 in our textbook, on page number 98. Section E, example number 3. Section E, example number 3. Right? Let P be the probability that selected person will die within a year. You just open the book, read the question, try to understand the question, and then solve it. Right? And keep textbook with you. Let P be the probability that a randomly selected person will die within a year. Probability is given to be 0.01. It is given n equal to 5. Randomly selected person also given 0.01 means 1 upon 100. Now we know that for the binomial probability distribution, p plus q is always 1. The probability of success plus probability of failure equal to 1. Therefore q equal to 1 minus p, 1 minus 1 upon 100, 99 upon 100. 100 into 1 means 100, minus 1, 99 upon 100, value of q. See, for the binomial probability distribution, basically P, Q and N are required. Right? P 1 upon 100, Q 99 upon 100, N equal to 5. Now, what is the required probability? What is the required probability? Required probability is x equal to 0. None of them will die within a year. None of them means x equal to 0. X means number of the person will die within the year. No, none of them means no person means x equal to 0. Value of x is 0. Here we have to write that x denote number of the person will die within a year. X denote number of the persons that persons die within a year means none of them means number 1 probability for x equal to 0 is required probability. What is the probability density function? We know that NCX p raised to x, q raised to x, n minus x. We direct substitute the value. N equal to 5. NCX means 5C0. P raised to x means p raised to means 1 upon 100 raised to 0. Q means 99 upon 100. N minus x 5 minus 0. This is PDF. Probability density function or probability distribution function. If it is discrete type, then it is said to be probability distribution function. 5C0, 1 upon 100 is to 0, 99 upon 100 is to 5 minus 0. Simplify. 5C0 is always 1. 1 upon 100 is to 0, any number is to 0 is once again 1. 99 upon 100 is to 5. Therefore, ultimately, probability for x equal to 0 is 99 over 100 raised to 5. Or this is answer number or result number 1. Do not simplify. No need to simplify. 99, 99, 99, 5 times multiplication upon 100 raised to 5. 100 into 100 into 100 5 times. You may calculate it, right? But this is enough. This is enough. 99 upon 100 raised to 5, or you may get answer in form of decimal point, right? At least one of them. At least one of the person die means probability that x greater than or equal to 1. It is equivalent to 1 minus probability is x less than 1. X less than 1 means x equal to 0. 1 minus probability for x equal to 0. We have determined. Therefore 1 minus inside the bracket 99 upon 100 raised to 5. This is the answer number 2. Result number 2. Probability that at least one. At least one means 1 or more. Now, if we want to find out the probability of at least one means 1 minus none. 1 minus none. 1 none means x equal to 0. This is answer number 1. This is answer number 2. This is example that can be asked in section D or E. Minimum for 3 marks or for 4 marks. 3 to 4 marks. This is based on chapter number Statistics Part 2. Chapter number 2. Binomial probability distribution. It is also known as discrete probability distribution. This is one of the important method example, right? One more example of the same type we take. Example number 5, page number 98, section E, question number 5, example number 5. You just read the question, just read the example and then try to solve it. Twice or thrice you must read, try to follow, try to get the meaning of the question and then solve it. Let P be the, this is assumption, P be the probability that a bomb dropped from a plane will hit the target, right? Now P is given to be 1 upon 5. The probability that the bomb will hit the target is 1 upon 5. And number of the bomb drops from a plane n equal to 6. Now we know that probability P for success, probability Q for failure. P plus Q is always 1. Therefore Q equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 upon 5 means 1 upon 5 means 4 upon 5. Right? We are also given that 2 bombs are enough to destroy the bridge. At least 2 bombs are required. At least 2 bombs are required to destroy the bridge. Right? What is the required probability? That bridge will be destroyed. Completely destroyed. Means 2 or more. At least 2 bombs means 2 or more bombs. P x greater than or equal to 2 is required. Now, required probability. What is our required probability? P for x greater than or equal to 2 means 1 minus probability that x less than 2. Here greater than or equal to, if we cut from 1, then 1 minus, change the sign and there is no equality sign in this bracket. X less than 2 means what? X equal to either 0 or x equal to either 1. 1 minus probability that x equal to 0 and 1 plus probability x equal to 1. Now we know the probability density function NCx, P raised to x, Q raised to n minus x, right? N means 6, 6c 0. X equal to 0 means 6c 0. P raised to 0, Q raised to 6 minus 0 means 6. P means 1 upon 5, Q means 4 upon 5, 1 by 5 raised to 0, 4 by 5 raised to 6. Probability for x equal to 1. 6c 1 plus 6c 1, 1 by 5 raised to 1, 4 by 5 raised to 6 minus 1 means 5. N equal to 6, therefore this 0 and 6 addition becomes 6. 1 plus 5 will become 6, right? Further simplify. 6 is 0 is 1, any number raised to 0 is 1, 4 raised to 6 upon 5 raised to 6, 4 raised to 6 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, 6 times. 5 raised to 6 means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, 6 times. Simplification will give you answer as 4096 upon 156 to 5. 6 1 means 6, 1 upon 5, 4 raised to 5 upon 5 raised to 5. 4 raised to 5, 4 into 4 into 4, 5 times. 1024 upon 3125. Ultimately, the simplification will give you answer as 15,625 is LCM. Addition of these two quantity 4096 and 6144 10240. 1 minus this quantity will give you by taking LCM 15,625. 15,625 minus 10,240, it will be 5,385, and more simplified, both are divisible by 5. Both the quantities are divisible by 5. And therefore, final answer is 1077 upon 3125. Right? You may take answer in the decimal point also by using calculator. Right? This is also correct answer. This is also correct answer. But if you want to get in decimal point, you may simplify. Both are correct answer. Both are equivalent, right? But if you convert in the decimal point, be careful. Must, right? This example can be asked for 3 to 4 marks. These examples are based on binomial probability distribution. Statistics part 2, chapter number 2 means random variable, and the discrete probability distribution means binomial probability distribution. Now, take care, practice very well. Illustration example, exercise example, example from our classwork, and PDF file, whatever may be, and most past year papers, board papers. You must practice it. Thank you everyone. See you.